Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about Windows commands you need to know. It's going to help you in not only just understanding the command prompt, but let's use our hacking skills. 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 Hey. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Okay, so number one, encrypting the files using CMD. It is the most useful command to encrypt or decrypt the folders or files without using any third-party apps. You're going to want to first search on CMD in Windows Search, Windows key plus S, and open CMD. Just type cipher E, and Peter, you can put that on the screen. Then hit on enter. This will encrypt all the files in the current directory. To decrypt, type cipher/D. Customizing the CMD, number two, we have open CMD, then right click on the title bar, click on properties. Then choose the color, select screen text, select any color, then click OK. Number three, and please hit that subscribe button because we trying to hit 10K. We trying to hit 10K, so hit that subscribe. Number three, change the font style. Open CMD, then right click on the title bar. Choose the fonts. There you can select any of the font styles. Number four, change the prompt text in CMD. Launch CMD, then type prompt plus hit enter. And number five, we can change the title of CMD. Launch CMD, type title plus then hit enter. Number six, you can watch Star Wars in CMD. Now, first you make sure you have enabled Telnet client. Search for Windows features on or off in Windows Search. Click OK. Launch command prompt and then type, Peter, please put that on the screen, but I'm going to do my best. Telnet towel.blinkenlights.nl and hit enter. To get out of it, click Control plus C. Number seven, check the PC battery details in CMD. Launch CMD, make sure runs as admin in case it doesn't work. The command is powercgf battery report. This generates your PC battery report in the form of an HTML file. To see that, just copy and paste the path, is shown and hit enter in the CMD. Number eight, mock. Check command prompt history. The command is Doskey/history. So, when it comes to commands, it's one of those things to where you just have to keep on learning about it because there's just so many commands to hit. What I recommend is that, organization is going to play a part in the advice I'm about to give, is just keep a database, an organized database that you personally work on, you're storing, and play around with it. Come up with some projects in your mind, or maybe go on Google to see what are some projects or some real life situations simulated that you can play with these commands. That's how you're going to really learn them. But I think it's impossible to know every single command on the top of your head. But keep a database, okay? Like start with 10 commands, play with them, maybe make a project, maybe do something, and then once you kind of had to gain some things about it, then do the next 10 and the next 10 and the next 10. We all learn at different capacities and lengths of time. When it comes to, in my opinion, I think the best one, let me not say best, but I think maybe the most important one is the powercfg command, because it lets you know, like you said, the battery and things of that nature. You want to know energy, right? You want to know before you start hacking, you got to have the energy. You know what I'm saying? You don't just wake up in the morning and no, you gotta have some energy about it. You know what I'm saying? Get some energy about it. Powercfg. Hey. PowerCFG. What do you think? What do you think is the most important command in Windows? Please let me know in the comment section below. Please hit that subscribe button. Our goal is 10,000 this year. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000, but 10,000 this year is the goal. So please hit that subscribe button. Please let me know your opinion about this story. Please also let me know your opinion on some commands that you feel like I left out in this video. So I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.